Johnny! Hey! Come here! Come here! Bro, what the f*** is you doing, gang?
In our front desk, 21.
Bro, they couldn't piss me the f*** up. Hey! Hey, let me talk to the sergeant, bro. Y'all trying to lock her up for a fucking car. That's my car. And Huntington made a mistake. I got the app on my phone. Why the fuck I got her in handcuffs? No, let me talk to the sergeant. Let me talk to the sergeant, gang.
Hey, police! Hey, bot. Hop out of the car. Come over here. What's your name, boss?
Jamil.
Come over here. Do you have any ID in your butt?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Come on.
No, don't reach in the car. Where is it?
It's in my car.
Okay, stop right here. Are you the registered owner of this car?
No.
Who's the registered owner of this car?
My brother. That's been a crime? Why you grabbing me?
Okay, yeah, that's the car was involved in a crime.
What's your name? My name's Jamil. What's your birthday? This car was used in what crime?
We'll tell you.
Bro,
where's the ID in the car?
Bro, I can grab it for y'all.
We'll grab it for you. Where is it?
Where's it at? I'm honestly not even sure.
Okay, any weapons in the car?
No, it's not no guns in the car.
You good? You want me to grab the ID,
bro? Yeah.
Yeah, like can I show him where it's at? Like what the fuck I think I'm finna put it and show him where
I'm looking for your ID. Oh, you're good, bro.
Yeah.
You're good. Okay.
Like what the fuck?
You have it?
I need to
Oh, what's your first name?
Jamil, J-A-M-L.
I don't see anything. You should be in the car. We don't. No, I don't. You have it on you? I don't need to.
I think it's you're good, bro.
You just give it to him.
Y'all tripping, bro. I mean, everybody does. Talking about a crime. What crime do we commit?
What if, bro, you run this plate that said this car was used in a crime in Orland Park? I don't know if it's a retail theft. I don't know what it is. It just says this car was used in a crime.
No, it's a different one.
Did you just get to Orland Park today? Like just now?
I literally just left from Walmart.
I got you. Maybe it's Orland Hills. They're gonna find it out for you. When we run this,
Why y'all just pull me on my car like I had a gun or something or weapons and
listen, we'll explain everything to you at the end of this, okay?
It's 3 police officers. I didn't do nothing. I just left from them all.
Again,
saying you did, bro. This car was used in a crime.
we're not saying you did. We're just the car. How often do you drive this car, my man?
Occasionally, day to day.
Okay. Does your brother also use this car?
Who?
Your brother?
I just drive the car.
Okay.
That might be the confusion, bro. It might not be.
Maybe.
This
Yeah.
car was
We're
used
just
in a
gonna
crime. That's all we
clarify
know.
once you're out in the clear. We'll explain everything what we did and why we did it, and you'll be on your way. Okay. Again, the plates and this car is associated with the crime, and that's why we approach you like this. Okay. We're not saying you're.
That's how we gotta come like that because we don't know whose car this is. You know, it's just this car was used in a crime. I don't know, like I said, I don't know if it was a retail theft. I don't know if it was a dine and dash. All we know is this car was used in a crime, and now they gotta figure it out.
Bro,
that's all.
Did
three
you?
Three police cars for dine and dash is crazy.
I'm not saying dine and dash. I'm saying it was used in a crime.
I'm just saying if whatever. That's crazy.
There's Orland Park too, bro. Shit doesn't happen in Orland Park.
Plainfield, born in 2005. He's
That's
got no
crazy.
void, no CCL.
So basically, you just want.
No,
whose car is
this is my brother's car. It was my car, but it registered to my brother.
Okay. Your brother is not with you, right?
No.
So, the car was dropped off at a location and had repair work. The guy, I'm assuming, what's your brother?
DeAndre.
Well, before you do that, did you get in your purse done on this car?
Did I get what?
In your repairs done on this car?
I just moved from Champaign.
I didn't ask you if you moved. Did you get in your purse done on this car recently?
Not out here. I just moved from Champaign.
Okay. Okay.
Bro, I know it's not out here. They'll figure it all out.
Yeah.
I know it's a pain that you think I'm trying to be outside. Look at me. You know, we'll figure it all out.
You're the only cool one in my opinion right now, bro.
He's always the cool one.
I've been saying that.
Yeah. The next thing is, are you disabled in any way?
No.
Is your girl disabled in any way?
No.
Why are you in a handicap spot?
I don't know. If you want to write me a ticket, you can write a ticket.
Okay.
I'm not answering all my questions.
Cool. Cool. I might do that.
Appreciate it. Trust that you paid in full.
Oh. Is it 250, 350? What is it? The sticker suck. 350.
I think got eyebrows. Good try.
He didn't say DeAndre.
Yeah, you did.
Did he?
Is it a male or female?
Oh, sorry. Jamal. What's your brother's name that is registered to
I'm
this
not
car?
answering no questions.
Okay. He's not answering questions anymore. You are being detained. You're not free to leave. You're not under arrest right now.
I'm not answering no questions.
Very good. Huh? Is there a tattoo above his eye? Which one? Left, right?
It's not like a crazy amount.
No, it's like this.
No, I just want to hold my stuff, yeah.
I got you.
No. Just neck, yeah. Just neck, no, nothing above eyebrows. Jamal, I'm not asking you any questions. Can you hang out by your girl over there? With that officer? He's nice, though. Yeah. I saw when I got her ID. Alright, so what we're gonna do is search the car. What?
Relocated.
Information. Covered based on what, though?
This Victoria's Secret bag is the black bag is used.
Is theft? Yeah, okay.
Even though-
Um,
How do you see your first name?
No?
Jamel?
Yeah.
So when this car, who owns the car? Like,
My record.
what's your brother's first name?
I'm not disclosing his information.
I already know it, so I'm just making sure it's not clear.
look at this shaker.
Yeah, 499, fake IDs.
Okay.
Y'all know I didn't get lost with the 10%, right? So y'all don't need.
Hands on your back.
I'm not answering.
That's fine. I'm letting you know what's what. I'm not keeping you in the dark, bro. That's all. Okay?
That's cool.
Man to man, I'm going to tell you why you're in handcuffs, all right?
Jamel, real quick, I gotta read you your rights, okay?
Y'all already did. I unlocked my search, bro. I got my lawyer, bro. It's cool.
Okay. You can turn around and face us. Did you search him?
No.
I just You're under arrest at this point, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can't be against you before you have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him present while you have a question. Can't afford to hire a
That's my
lawyer.
dad.
Hold on.
You walk over there.
Call my.
Can't afford to hire a lawyer.
Hey, call my dad.
For any questions you want to decide at any time, I still just to answer questions. Not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand?
I need. Matter of fact, y'all got cars. Y'all got cars. Y'all badge number. Hey, get your phone. Take a picture of all their names.
It'll be on the report. It'll be on the report. Don't you worry. All right, we're gonna put you in the back of his car.
Wait. Can I just? I'll take my girlfriend. I'm trying to make sure she had a ride. Can I just stand right here? I'm not trying to be disrespectful. All right.
We'll figure out her ride.
He has,
There's one.
That's a nice report, man.
Okay.
Johnny! Hey! Come here! Come here! Bro, what the fuck is you doing, gang?
Can you give our front desk 21?
Bro, they kinda piss me the fuck up.
There's supposed to be a female command outside of this order. She's visually in the ring of the doorbell. File for the contact customers 086304338 0728. If she's clear, can you just add her to the call for sort it out?
Or Jillian is clear, going out of Manhattan.
Hey! Hey, let me talk to the sergeant, bro. Y'all trying to lock her up for a fucking car that's my car. And if Huntington made a mistake, I got the app on my phone. Why the fuck I got her in handcuffs? No, let me talk to the sergeant. Let me talk to the sergeant, gang. Hey, let me talk to. Can I talk to the sergeant?
No.
I'm gonna move. I'm not gonna get out. I swear. Can I talk to the sergeant?
You can talk to him at the station.
No, can he come right here?
Boss at the station.
Can he come right here, please?
No, he's not coming here. You can talk
Hey,
to him at the station.
This your car?
That's
Oh,
not my
hey,
car.
hey, when you off and you got this badge off, come see me so I can whoop your ass. You a bitch, nigga. I want you to know that, nigga. You a bitch, nigga.
I saw Bolo recently. I think like yesterday or today, where they go get the car fixed, use fake credit cards, get a reverse for it, and then they cancel it or file it as a fraud. That's the case here. Besides the bills, I got besides the invoices from the shops, I got nothing either.
I bet you feel real good, don't you?
Yeah, I'm the backup officer, bro. They called for somebody to come over here, man. I have no idea what's going on.
Yeah, bro. Violating my rights is crazy, bro. Let's start there, bro. Violating my rights is crazy. All y'all niggas some bitches too, on God. Let me out, on God. Put me in the cell while all y'all niggas take these cuffs off, turn the camera off. I'm whooping all y'all ass, nigga. On my dead brother, nigga. Fuck y'all talking about. Unlawful search. Alright, don't worry about it. On God, I catch one of y'all outside of this job shit, I'm fucking y'all up, nigga. I'm telling you now, nigga. I'm gonna be on the news, nigga. I'm patch one of y'all ass. Watch.
Over there, but
Y'all just violated my rights, tossed me in a fucking car and then just locked my girl up. Alright, don't worry about it. I catch one of y'all ass, I'm fucking y'all up. I see y'all with y'all kids, I'm fucking them up. On my brother, nigga. Still ain't told why I'm being arrested. Ain't give consent to nothing. I can't wait. I want all of y'all in court too. When my lawyer in court, I want all of y'all in court. And I need all y'all badge number too. Fuck you talking about? I need everybody badge number. I need your boss badge number too. White shirt, all that, yeah. Lame ass mom cars, all that, like, nothing better to do. Take y'all ass to CPD. Motherfucker being clocked y'all stupid ass. Hey, what's your name?
I'm Dan.
My fault for the thirst, bro. My fault. I had to realize you ain't do nothing to me, bro, but I apologize, bro, but I don't like how you just sit back and just let them violate my rights, bro. For real. That shit got me hot right now. These, you say your name Dan?
Yeah.
Make sure you write it down for me, bro, because I'm telling you, I need all of that.
After being read his rights, Jamal opened up about several parts of the case. He admitted to buying a fake driver's license online, explaining he did it because he's not yet 21. When asked about the Navy Federal Credit Union cards found on him, he confirmed they were his, but said he'd canceled them back in November or December of 2024, and just never took them out of his wallet. He also talked about some repair work done on his Chevrolet, though he was firm that he never took the car to Jiffy Lube. At 11:07 p.m., Assistant State Attorney Raines signed off on felony charges. Jamal now faces 4 counts: possessing a fraudulent ID, aggravated assault on a police officer, a handicap parking violation, and possession of fireworks. No further details on the case have been released at this time.